You're not gonna put this. You're not. No, you're not do this.
So let me get this straight, Miss Brissy. On a given day, on a random moment, searching for a kidnapped young girl, coincidentally, at that time, a young technological genius appeared on the scene and chose your car to open discreetly, plant bloody clothes discreetly, close it back and vanish into thin air. So the person we're looking for is a young technological magician. Wonderful. Wonderful.
If you finish, you can leave now. Cause you know much better than Jonathan Majors.
Hold on there. Jonathan Majors? That name there again? No man, it's an obsession. Because him could have never drop in another conversation here while we are talking about people who have big time skill set and all kind of something. Right? I drop my thing.
Let me explain something to you. Jonathan Majors is presently sitting in Mr. Mullins' office in his chair. He has now gathered information that can put down the agency and the agents, including you.
Jonathan Majors sit down in a Mullins chair. Seriously, Jonathan Majors is the person who's going to try and take down this agency and its agents, including me. Hold on, man. And the joke of the century, this. No, man. This, you know, a real circus business. Jonathan Majors, you say? Hold on there. Him and the man we are doing, take over the agency. I think all of the agent them, including me. You're serious?
Me look like me a smile to you? All me I tell you, Jonathan Majors say, if Mr. Mullins don't surface within a week, the board of directors appoint him as head of the agency. So laugh all you want.
The board, I got to appoint him. Alright. Board can't say anything, you know. You're up on the board, I want funeral home. But hold on, seriously though. And listen, me need to go talk to him to find out exactly what go on. Because this bigger than Majors. But you need to tell me, where is Mullins at a time like this? And him just missing, and him alone missing. Something in a something. That me I tell you.
Yes, Raymond, something in a something. And it bigger than what me and you even think. I believe it have a lot to do with him son. I talked to his wife the other day and I asked her how our son doing. And she just break down.
You know, now you mention the son. I never DNA test him going to do. Because me got the car wash the other day, you know. And when me ask for this Audrey, you know, them say she M.I.A. for a few days.
What you mean? Like, she not dead none at all?
Yep. Everybody M.I.A. Them gone go do the DNA. Andre, you know the business in a Mullins and in private life. What interests me now is to find out exactly how you get into this problem and how to get you out of it. And more importantly, you need to find out who feels that them could have ramp with you them kind of way they get in a problem.
Really, Raymond? That sounds like you care. Aww. Don't worry about it. I have a plan.
Plan? plan for who?
For the great Jonathan Major.